नमस्कार दोस्तों, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका हिंदी टू इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस सेशन में। इस सेशन में हमने हिंदी के सेंटेंसेस को इंग्लिश में वर्ड फॉर वर्ड ट्रांसलेट नहीं किया है। आप सिचुएशंस को समझिएगा कि इन सिचुएशंस में एक नेटिव इंग्लिश स्पीकर क्या कहेगा। हर सेंटेंस को हमने 3 तरीके से बोला है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। रमेश कहता है, अरे सुरेश, क्या हुआ? तुम इतने दुखी क्यों लग रहे हो? Hey Suresh, what happened? Why do you look so upset? Second alternative, what's wrong Suresh? Why are you looking so down? Third alternative, what's the matter Suresh? You seem really upset. सुरेश कहता है, हाँ मैं हूं, या I am. Second alternative, yes, I really am. Third alternative, I am actually upset. रमेश कहता है, लेकिन बताओ तो बात क्या है? But tell me, what's the matter? Second alternative, come on, tell me what's wrong. Third alternative, just tell me what happened. सुरेश कहता है, यार इस बॉस ने मेरा दिमाग खराब कर रखा है। मैम, this boss is driving me crazy. Second alternative, this boss has completely messed up my mind. Third alternative, the boss is seriously frustrating me. रमेश कहता है, अब क्या कर दिया उसने? What did he do now? Second alternative, what has he done this time? Third alternative, what exactly did he do? सुरेश कहता है, मुझसे कहता है ऑफिस में फॉर्मल कपड़े पहनकर आया करो। ये बॉस कहता है। He keeps telling me to wear formal clothes to the office. Second alternative, he's always asking me to come to work in formal attire. Third alternative, he wants me to wear formals to the office all the time. रमेश कहता है, तो उसने क्या गलत कह दिया? Well, what's wrong with that? Second alternative, what's so bad about that? Third alternative, I don't see anything wrong in what he said. अगर तुम कैजुअल्स पहनोगे तो सबसे अलग लगोगे. If you wear casuals, you'll stand out from everyone else. Second alternative, wearing casuals will make you look out of place. Third alternative, you'll look different from everyone if you dress casually. सुरेश कहता है, वो मेरी प्रॉब्लम है, मैं कैसा लगूंगा, बॉस को इससे क्या मतलब? That's my problem. Why should the boss care about how I look? Second alternative, it's up to me how I look. Why is the boss so concerned? Third alternative, how I look is my business, not the boss's. रमेश कहता है, फिर भी माहौल का तो हमें ध्यान रखना ही पड़ेगा. Even so, we have to respect the office environment. Second alternative, still, we should consider the workplace atmosphere. Third alternative, we need to keep the office culture in mind. सुरेश कहता है, क्या यही बात लड़कियों पर भी लागू होती है? Does this rule apply to women too? Second alternative, is the same thing expected from women? Third alternative, does this apply to female employees as well? जब कोई लड़की कहती है, मैं जो चाहूं वो पहनूंगी. When a woman says, I'll wear whatever I want. Second alternative, when a girl says, I can dress however I like. Third alternative, when a woman claims, I'll wear what I please. तो कुछ फेमिनिस्ट हमेशा आ जाते हैं उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए. Some feminists always come forward to support her. Second alternative, feminists are always quick to back her up. Third alternative, there is always some feminist ready to defend her. रमेश कहता है, फिर भी तुम्हें फॉर्मल पहनने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? स्टिल, व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम विद वेयरिंग फॉर्मल्स? सेकंड ऑल्टरनेटिव, बट why is wearing formals such a big deal for you? Third alternative, what's so difficult about dressing in formals? सुरेश कहता है, मुझे जूते पहनना अच्छा नहीं लगता. I don't like wearing shoes. Second alternative, I'm not comfortable wearing shoes. Third alternative, I dislike putting on shoes. सुरेश कहता है, मुझे मेरे पैर टाइट महसूस होते हैं और पसीना भी आता है. My feet feel tight and they get sweaty. Second alternative, shoes make my feet feel cramped and sweaty. Third alternative, my feet get uncomfortable and sweaty in shoes. रमेश कहता है, तो एक नंबर ढीले जूते खरीद लो. Then buy shoes that are one size bigger. Second alternative, just get a pair of shoes that's slightly loose. Third alternative, why don't you get shoes that are a bit larger? सुरेश कहता है, तो मुझे चलने में परेशानी होगी. Then walking will be uncomfortable for me. Second alternative, that would make it hard for me to walk. Third alternative, I wouldn't be able to walk properly in those. रमेश कहता है, तो फिर ऐसा करो, जॉब छोड़ दो. In that case, just quit the job. Second alternative, then maybe you should leave this job. Third alternative, why don't you just resign them? सुरेश कहता है, अगर मेरे पास ऑप्शन होता तो कब की छोड़ दी होती. If I had an option, I would have quit long ago. Second alternative, I would have left already if I had another choice. Third alternative, I would have walked out by now if I had the chance. तुम्हारे सलाह देने का इंतजार नहीं कर रहा होता. I wouldn't be waiting for you to advise. Second alternative, I'm not sitting around for your suggestions. Third alternative, I wouldn't have needed your opinion. रमेश कहता है, वैसे मैं मंडे को एक दूसरी कंपनी में इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहा हूं. बाय द वे, आई एम गोइंग फॉर एन इंटरव्यू एट अनदर कंपनी ऑन मंडे. सेकेंड ऑल्टरनेटिव, ओह, एंड आई हैव गॉट एन इंटरव्यू एट अ डिफरेंट कंपनी ऑन मंडे. थर्ड ऑल्टरनेटिव, आई एम हेडिंग टू अ न्यू कंपनी फॉर एन इंटरव्यू ऑन मंडे. रमेश कहता है, अगर तुम चाहो तो मेरे साथ चल सकते हो. इफ यू वांट, यू कैन कम विद मी. Second alternative, you're welcome to join me if you would like. Third alternative, if you're interested, you can tag along with me. सुरेश कहता है, क्या वहां कैजुअल पहन के ऑफिस जा सकते हैं? Can you wear casuals to the office there? Second alternative, is it okay to go to work in casual clothes there? Third alternative, are casuals allowed in that office? रमेश कहता है, वहां का माहौल यहां से काफी बेहतर है. The atmosphere there is much better than here. Second alternative, that place has a way better environment than this one. Third alternative, the work culture there is a lot better than it is here. सुरेश कहता है, तो ठीक है, मंडे को हम दोनों साथ में चलेंगे. All right then, we'll go together on Monday. Second alternative, fine, let's head there together on Monday. Third alternative, okay, we'll both go together on Monday. जब तुम घर से निकलो तो मुझे कॉल कर देना. Give me a call when you leave your house. Second alternative, call me as soon as you're on your way. Third alternative, let me know when you head out. और दोनों एक दूसरे को बाय कहकर चले जाते हैं. All right then, bye bye.